What we've done is develop a means of replacing one of the spinal cord cells that's lost after injury. Step one was to identify what was lost. Step two was to take stem cells, which can make any cell in the body, and restrict their differentiation so they become only this spinal cord cell type that is lost. Step three was to replace that cell in animal models of spinal cord injury and restore the ability of those animals to walk. This clinical trial is a culmination of all that work.
Hi, this is Hans Keirstead calling.
You know, the first moment I heard about this approval of the FDA to run our trial, I was overjoyed. The very first thought in my head was actually regret that Christopher Reeve wasn't alive to see it. This was a very important thing for him that he had a fundamental role in its being developed. So I felt very bad that we were too late to help Christopher, that he didn't see this thing coming. But I'm overjoyed besides that. This is a major step forward for the spinal cord injury field and for the stem cell field. Of course for my laboratory and Geron Corporation, but for the field in general. It's the first trial in the world using a human embryonic stem cell. And so the importance of that, the value of that is greater, far greater than this treatment alone. It paves a way for the next human embryonic stem cell treatment to get to the clinic. This is the first step along a road that we're soon going to see turn into a racetrack.
That's that same tissue?
Yeah. These are,
That's beautiful.
those are our cells.
That's beautiful.
My hope for this trial is an incremental benefit. If we have any benefit of the smallest degree, I'm going to consider this nothing short of a home run for the patients and also the research field. My goal, what I would love to see, the thing I'm dreaming of, is a quadriplegic to regain use of their thumb. Just to move that thumb and see restoration of the ability to get themselves out of bed by operating machinery, to type, to communicate independently, to move in a wheelchair independently by their own volition and control. I would love it if someone gets up out of a wheelchair. That would be remarkable. That'd be wonderful. But if we get any way there, I'm going to be extremely happy. You know, at UCI, we have taken great pains to put together a system and infrastructure for spinal cord injury and stem cell research. We're really leading this nation as a spinal cord research center at the Reeve-Irvine Research Center, but also as a stem cell center at the Sue and Bill Gross Stem Cell Research Center. We've created a continuum from discovery right through to the clinic. This clinical trial evidences the success of that program.